What's up? Good evening mga kahipackers. Today is March 7, 2025. Sorry na wala pa akong vape content ha. So, our ulam of the day is chicken adobo and stir-fried kangkong and oyster sauce. Okay. Alright, so kung mag-grocery kayo, check nyo sa grocery. Minsan, mas mura ang meat doon. This is Magnolia, 160 lang per kilo niya. Yes, maliliit yung manok. Pero 160 per kilo. And I'm watching the lopsided Ginebra versus Northport semis. So, yeah, I feel sad. Kung hindi lang Ginebra ang kalaban ng Northport, I'm gonna root for Northport anytime. We have lots of Ginebra players doon. Okay? So, again, chicken adobo with stir-fried kangkong. Have a great evening mga kahipackers. Vape content, I'll do my best ha. Okay? Woohoo! Sarap-sarap. Bye-bye!